First, select the data you want to display in the chart. This tells Excel exactly which values and labels to use. Once the data is selected, go to the Insert tab, find the Chart section, and choose the Pie Chart option. Select the first design for a simple and clean look. Excel will instantly create the pie chart and place it in the spreadsheet. You can easily move the chart to a better position. Click on a blank area inside the chart, hold the left mouse button, and drag it to where you want it to sit on the sheet. This helps keep your layout neat and organized. To resize the chart, click on one of the small circles at the corners of the chart area. Drag outward to make the chart larger or inward to make it smaller until it fits your needs. Next, update the chart title. Click on the text that says Chart Title to make it editable, then type a title that clearly describes the data. A clear title makes the chart easier to understand at a glance. You can also change the look of the chart. Click on a blank area of the chart, go to the Design tab, and choose Change Colors to apply a different color scheme. This allows you to match the chart to your presentation or preference. If you want to adjust the overall style, stay in the Design tab and open Chart Styles. Here you can choose from several preset designs that instantly change the chart's appearance. Finally, remember that Excel charts are dynamic. Any changes you make to the original data will automatically update the pie chart. This makes it easy to keep your chart accurate without recreating it.